This has been the first Women and General Assembly.
So, what's up guys? Any moment, we'll be start... Wait lang ako muna.
Magkajowa daw may singer po si Press Earl Siegfried Tagod Dasan.
Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Bakit na kayo nagawa yun? Am I not enough? May kulang pa ba sa akin? May mali pa ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Pangit ba katawan ko? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
Hindi ako si Celine. So stop comparing me to her.
Tama, hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine. Kung hindi ko makikita, mawawala ka. It will never change. Science tells us that our genetic imprint predetermines our fate, our character, our choices. Kailangan ka ito? Kailangan ito? Ayun mo na. Kapalakan mo, hindi ang palakpak. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
At the end of my life as a college student, Grand Edition! Hi guys, what's up? Hi, ano buhay? So, we're having our breakout room for today's event. So, ka sa channel ko. Hello! Sober haggard na guys! We only have 2 minutes left. From they're not finished. Good luck guys. Hi, I'm CRBCF. So hi guys.
Nandito ako.
Hi sir. He's the instructor of Pascal. Alam mo. Hello po. Ay, ano ba? So, nandito tayo ng gugulo ulit. O, ikaw na best. Naka-play ba ba ito? At day in my life as an accountancy student, Grand M Edition! Vlogger! Okay guys, 1, 2, 3. Ay, busy sila.
Part of the main issue. The main issue is yung schedule na hindi nagpa-match between the school and the regionals talaga. But that is something na hindi natin makontrol kasi per school iba-iba talaga ang schedule natin. And if we're gonna be honest, ang nag-motivate talaga sa participants to join our events are the benefits. Not just the recognition of joining the event, but the benefits na nakukuha nila for joining the event. If we're being honest, kasi naman talaga sila nakukuha na benefit. So, hindi lang talaga nila parang naiintindihan kung gaano kalaki or kung gaano ka-importante yung benefit na yun. So, we'd like to put emphasis on the
go to sleep when I got you next to me.
Mag-interview tayo kung kamusta yung REBM. So, hello po. Name po? Felix. So, how's the experience during the first regional executive board meeting? Nag-enjoy naman ba? Ayan. So, nag-enjoy daw siya. So, I hope to see you next face-to-face
college. Last college.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
So, it was fun and nag-enjoy ako dito sa RFM. I didn't expect na ganito yung mangyayari sa first RFM natin and together with National. Dahil marami akong natutunan sa kanila and lahat ng speaker ay maganda yung sinabi nila at marami akong mas nakuha info about sa background ng natin and ito sa regional natin. Nakakatulong din sa aming local shop.
Morning, my name is Rika Cato. I'm from University of Luzon.
Wow, nakaseri. Good morning. Okay, question ko is, any memorable moments? Paano ka? Kailangan natin ng recap kasi yung iba ay ano eh.
Parang
Inaanto ka. Ano yung winning moment mo nung family feud? Paano?
Yung saya-saya lahat.
Paano naging masaya nung nanalo ng family feud? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Wag na.
Wala, ulitin mo Ulitin mo. Magkakasigan mo.
may follow-up question ako.
Ano?
BFF talaga kayo?
Oo, hindi! Alam mo, unang parang ganun na kami.
Ano yung
Good morning po. Hello, magandang buhay! I am Jason Compay from the local chapter of Urdaneta City University. And, yes, what's the question?
wow! Naging patch! What's the question?
Thank you very much for that wonderful question.
Memorable moments.
Siguro yun din sa KitKat noong kagabi. Honestly, hindi ko din alam na ang ipapabring ni sa atin ay yung virgin natin din sa ano. And I am very happy, hindi ako nahirapan. Kasi nga, volunteer. Sabi ko naman, to cease to believe. Pero yun nga, masaya. Honestly, ang pinaka-favorite ko na part doon, yung hindi namin matanggap, yung mabango yung sabi. Yung mabango yung sabi. Kaya, nagulat yun sa mabango na sabi. Kung sino man po yung na-interview nila, sa 100 tao yan, pakidefine lang po. Kasi never ever talaga bumili ako ng saging na mabili po ako yung mabango po saging. Okay pa po sa akin yung matamis, mahaba, makinis, malambot, pero makinis sa saging. Kasi di ba yung naiba, ayun na yung mga
Pinaka-virgin ng first Rev. So, any memorable moments po ng first Rev?
Ano, same lang kay
Huwag nang same. Dapat may unique unique memories.
Siguro yung yung pagsagot namin ng yung sa games, kahit natakal na namin, parang hindi pa rin namin alam yung isasagot, parang lumabas ang papel. Yung hindi namin alam yung ituturo namin sa nakampilan, if mananalo siya dun sa palaro ni Kuya Charlie.
So, thank you. Palama mo natin ang table na to. Name and local chapter po.
I'm Rita Ella Eichel from St. Louis College.
Since I've been ang taas. Kasi if you would, kung narinig nyo man yung presentation nila, she has been a outstanding presenter kasi. But not to be biased, kasi kakarating lang nila noong time na yun, pero she stayed in. So, any tips? Any key takeaways para sa ating mga participants throughout the event? Ano ba masasabi niyo sa participants?
Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Although short lang po yung time natin together, just want to say I really enjoyed spending time with all of you, especially to Group 1. Sobrang happy po and sorry po kahit nalate po ako. Very welcome po ako. Thank you so much for entertaining po.
So thank you po. Next people. Name and local chapter po, ma'am.
Grace from SC Grace.
Any memorable moments po natin sa first level?
Especially naglaro kami ng family kagabi and nakuha ko yung top answer.
Wow! Ano yung top answer?
Exactly.
Local chapter.
gabi ito yung amin. Good morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. I am Matt Cortez from local Divine Word College, local chapter of Divine Word College of Lawal.
Any memorable moments po natin ng first grade?
Ang memorable moments namin ay yung pagbiyahe namin ng maaga. Grabe, ang aga.
For the information of everybody, nandito na po sila ng 7 a.m. Diba? Ang call time ay 12:30, pero nandito na sila ng 7 o'clock. So, please, our real vice president for audit, Mr. Joshua.
Guys, Baby and hello po. Gusto naman ang big good trip. I think mas sports po ngayon para sa akin compared sa table. Yes. Busy. Kanina pa siya dyan, guys. Arby, hindi ka dito.
A recognition of
Kumusta naman ang dito ng
performance.
Dito ng Rebel. So far naman okay siya. Patapos na tayo. And makakawin na tayo sa pahingan.
Tuloy mo na, best.
Hello everyone. So, hindi lang pala ako in-interview.
The local chapter number 1, nagpadala siya na
Behind me
so, ang equivalent for
yung RBP for audit, explaining his IRR.
Nagpadala ang local chapter number 1 na
after this one, it will be me. And then yung VP for NA. And then after that one, siguro tapos na.
Ang magiging combination niya
Kasi maingay dito. Dami nilang nagsasalita. So, we're tired. Reyos, we are tired. Super tired. Pero still, we have to do this kasi we are mandated to do it. So far naman, is going smooth siya. Smooth sailing siya. We have our participants naman sa venue. Although some are feeling sick, they are tired also. Hindi sila makapresent, but still they are happy na andito sila, I think. Ayun. After this one, it'll be me and it'll be the VP for NA. And then once that is done, we are ready to go. Tayo ay uuwi. Magpapahinga na. So ayun. Bye-bye guys.
Mag-hi kayo, guys. Hi!
I said, remember this moment.
Hello, Paz. Anong masasabi mo for today's event?
Congratulations po mga Rios. Ang gagaling nyo.
Yes, ikaw ba ang magcha-champion sa NMYC?
We'll see.
Uy! We'll see!
And the queens, and they read off our names. The night you danced like you knew our lives would never be the same.
So, ang tamang sagot is... Ang galing talaga ng Red Team! That's my president!
But the start of an age. Long walls we crashed through.
Buti wala kang ambag.
Okay, everyone. So, before
wala kang ambag sa kanila.
Pretenders, one day we will be remembered. I said, remember this
In 3,
feeling.
2, and 1.
I passed the pictures around of all the years
FESP. Susunod sa past is
there
Philippines.
on the sidelines, wishing for right now. We are the kings and the queens. You traded your baseball.
Okay, thank you very much for Florida State University. Next, we are Philippine Accounting Society.
They gave us our trophies, and we held them up
2 and 1. Play. Next, post focus.
and the cynics were outraged, screaming, this is absurd.
2 and 1.
Cause for a moment a band of thieves in ripped up jeans got to rule the world.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Next pose. Next pose. 3, 2, and 1. Next pose po tayo in 3, 2, 1. Go and one. Two and one. Next pose.
Promise me this.
Two and one. Wow.
Forever. But if God forbid fate should step in and force us into a goodbye, if you have children someday, when they point to the pictures, please tell them my name. Tell them how the crowds went wild.
This has been the first Women and General Assembly.
See you RSC. Housekeeping Thursday from Heart One Car.
Tapos na ang Rebel! Tapos na!
I can't talk, but I know I see your faces glow. I feel your arms hold tight. I'm safe here every night. Through my little
Hello, hello, hello! May pera pa ba kayo? Alright! It's raining, guys! Sinong nandito ngayon? Si RVP4 Audit!
Hi, RVP Audit Joshua! Hello, what's up guys? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Villa Vista, Nagilian, La Union. So, here's our VPF. So, di niya ako pinansin ang bastos. So, here's our VP Grab Pub. So, hi! Hello! So, mag-room tour tayo ngayon. Vlogger! Hi guys! Room tour. So, here's our VPNA and RFG, so mag-work na siya. So here's Andrea. Kakarating ni RVP membership and RVP academic. So hi! Yari.
It's so dark naman.
Yeah. So, bring over. Mark Janil, our Regional Secretary General. So, parang nagbe-bebe time siya.
Sana all.
Mark Janil. And here's Andrea. She's doing her, parang she's steaming her corporate attire for tomorrow's event. So, it's nice in here sa nila, sa place nila. Like, this is the receiving area. Like, it's so good in here. Oh, straight English, pero wrong grammar. Like,
oh my God!
My meals are so, wala na. Naligo kasi ako ng swimming pool, natira. Feeling ko lumulutang dun yung, meals ko. Oh, you're here? Ba't ka lumipat dito? You're hungry na already. So, this is RVP Finance. Say hi, RVP Finance. Ah, you're busy. Oh, she's busy. And this is RVP membership. So, say hi. QF is sleeping and Alfred is still waiting for a vehicle papunta here. Because wala nang masakyan. Ganon. So, let's continue our vlog later. Pag nandito na si Alfred.
So hi guys, it's currently 4:39 and I just finished steaming off my clothes. Here's Joshua.
So hi guys.
Anong ginagawa mo, bes?
I'm currently doing my IRRs because some are
Tulog na yung iba. Janelle, Secretary Jen, Vice President for Academics, and si Vice President for Communications.
Munti ka na rin.
What are you doing, bes?
I'm doing my Jipo.
So, ayun. Wait lang. Time check. It's
Hi, I'm done.
4:49 a.m. And still, Diyos ko, gising pa lahat.
Gumagawa na ako ng sarili kong YouTube logo dito. Bahala ka doon.
YouTube logo. Tingnan niyo naman. Yes. Gising. Iba ang ating RVP comms. Very relapse. Oh my God. Ito ang life update namin as of now. Ang gising pa is ako, si Alfred na RVP Comms, si Joshua na RVP Audit, si Charlie na RVP Acad, and si Yarib na RVP Graph. Anong update natin sa Baguio, Bes? Signal number 1 na lang tayo, no? Sure pa rin.
O kaya alasing ko pati.
Hindi pala pwede, Ilan yung kinuha ko dito?
So, signal number 1 naman. And, with that, talagang tuloy na ang ating LabM.
We do not know the winner.
1 hour na lang and 1 hour? 2 hours na lang magsistart na ang breakfast. And wala pa rin kaming tulog until now. Siguro ang tulog namin 3 hours.
Quiz pa tayo? Ilan pa mananalo sa icebreaker? Per group, right?
Hindi. Yung tatlong
See you
icebreaker
later.
kasi
Aming participants. Good luck.
Yung last icebreaker, yung group.
Paano mag-record?
Naka-record na.
Patugtugin natin.
Naka-record na to?
Oo.
So,
Tignan
hello.
mo may nagka-countdown na number. Count up.
Oh, count up. Hello. Good morning, everyone. So, it's currently 5 a.m., I think. 5 ba? Check natin. Oh, so it's 4:54. So, we are going to wake up our... wait lang. Guys, umutot ako Okay, so we're gonna wake up our RVPNA, Andrea, tapos si RVPF, Julian. Although si Julian nakatulog na ng isang oras. Tapos si Andrea kanina pa nakatulog. So, kasingin natin sila. Good morning, everyone! Gising na! Hello? Hello? So yun, ginigising na.
Best. 5 na po.
Kung sino ka man talaga.
Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. Are we ready for Rev M Day 1?
So, hi guys! Are you ready? Yes!
Alright, alright!
Excited to see you guys! So, alright!
Ano?
So,
Alright!
Yes.
Alright! Andrea, alright!
Alright! Hindi pa siya ready. Like, nakakumot pa siya.
Walking lang tayo.
Jogging.
Good morning everyone. It's now October 4 and we're having the first day of the Rev M. We're gonna still have the breakfast. Nag-clear sila ng mga trees from the typhoon. And now, here we go. We're going outside because we don't have toothbrush.
Ano yan? We don't have
toothbrush. Tinanong kita ate, nagmamadali kasi akong pong lumabas.
Makishare na lang tayo kay Kuya nung toothpaste. Tinabunan niya ng unan yung toothpaste.
Mapiprint pa kasi sila ng certs. Sabi ko, oh yeah.
Pakita ka natin yung merch nyo nung last Fed. Oh, likod.
We're just ordinary students. Ordinary students! Taas
tayo, pag-walking lang tayo.
Jogging.
Kaya pa mag-reconnect with nature.
Jogging, guys. Kunwari healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle na para bang...
Wala na po lang kakain, guys.
Pag tayo nakaabot pa ng 7-Eleven pa, wag.
Dito na oh. Ate, may toothbrush. So our problem is to buy toothbrush. Kasi I didn't buy toothbrush because nagmamadali na akong makapunta ng Nagilian. Kasi diba na-stranded kami kanina. Ay kaako lang pala. Kasi galing akong Ilocos. Auntie, meron po kayong toothbrush po. So first mission ngayong umaga, success. Our second mission is to have breakfast until 8 a.m.
I think hindi naaabot.
Hindi na aaabot.
Sabi kasi ni Charlie sa 10:30.
Me. Ano yung mga kalaban natin? Say hi!
Hi guys!
Hi
Saan
po.
kayo?
How are you?
Uy, yung
Sa amin naman kami.
Sige.
Ay, agatan kayo pa?
This is what you call turnover.
Yeah, proper turnover! B, tagkikinsi lang naman yun. B, partakan nyo, tamabisin na kun! Come on! Pangantayo pa kakabsat!
Kakain na tayo, guys.
Hello guys, hawakan ko na siya. So, eto guys, ilang feet to? Parang 7 feet ata kasi super lipos ko na siya kagabi. Like, dito pa lang pagbaba nyo ng is super lipos. Then, this one, siya, like for 8 years old, yung katamtaman yung height. Then, for that one is for the babies, I guess, kung pwede na sila maligo. So, what do you call to that one? Susunduin. What's the English? We will going to fetch them. I'm with...
Fetch?
Huh?
Ewan ko, hindi ko kasi
with our VP Grab, we're going to fetch them.
Pero, asan sila? Asya?
Oh, that one! Nalagpasan me!
Hindi nilagpasan sila.
They are from DWCL, right? So, hi guys! Sila yung natin. They're so early. Like, it's already pala. 7...
Ay, nakaban.
Like, own vehicle. Like, it's so bongga. Tinalo ang Rio. Sila yung early bird. Early bird.
May price ba ang early bird?
Kiss kay early bird daw, kiss kay Alfred.
Umayos ka nga, big-biga.
Hi guys, so now we're currently having our breakfast here at Bella Vista Resort. Pwede na umuwi pagkatapos kumain.
Sino dyan?
So,
si Julian.
Having our breakfast.
Wow, vlogger.
We have longanisa and the sunny side up egg. Tapos, their smells, this smells good. So good.
Wow.
Also, we have, what's this? It's apple. It's obvious, guys. Ayan, so, pupunta naman tayo sa kabilang table. Diba? Pupunta tayo sa kabilang table. So, kumakain na sila here and say hi, guys. Hi! So, ayan. Kain na tayo. Bye, guys!
Hello, everyone. I think some of you, most of you know me. I am your.
Doon mo ko naka-play.
This is me without taking a bath, without ayos, guys. So,
I'm passing this camera na lang.
I'm passing this camera to someone na ang baho-baho, tas maingay yung hilik.
Discard na agad.
Tayo guys,
Napara ba namang bebe ko?
Here are my Koreans preparing for the...
Sinabuhay eh. Kala mo
So,
naman
hi, Alfred.
Hello po. Hi, guys.
Janelle and Andrea. So, hi. They're preparing the certificates, sashes, and prizes. And... What's up, guys? So welcome to the first RTVN. So hi, Zaf.
No.
Kaya ba natin i-raos to?
Yes.
Hi, guys.
Your presence here today is not just a requirement. It is a profound testament to your commitment.
Na para bang? So, what's up guys? Any moment will be start. Wait lang ako muna.
Hindi ka maririnig dyan. Nasaan yung mic?
Ano ba yun?
Hello everyone. So here we are at the event venue. As you can see, we are getting ready for our first regional executive board meeting. We have been preparing this for almost a month and a half already. So hopefully it will be a successful event. So since we are here now, let's interview our project head for our event. Okay. Hello!
Hello!
So, siya yung project head ng RevM natin. So, what do you expect for this, first RevM natin?
Of course, I expect it to be a collaborative event, especially it's our first face-to-face event for this federation.
Yan! Always think positive tayo guys for our first event. Lalo-lalo na sa mga events natin. Okay, so next na tatanungin natin na Rio is yung membership natin. Okay, so here we are. I am with Zaf.
Dark naman yan. Hindi siya sides na to.
Yan, kita na kami. Okay, so ask ko lang, Ben.
Sabay.
Okay. Okay, cut. Diyan ka lang. Okay, so that is it with our project head. Next, may we have our RVP for membership. So I am here with my bestie, Zafira. Hello! Okay, so simple lang naman ang question ko, best. Ano yung ine-expect mo ngayon na, yun nga, first face-to-face event natin and also at the same time first event natin?
Kinakabahan ako kasi syempre this will set the standards sa mga susunod nating mga face-to-face events. No? Kaya we're hopeful na parang pupunta and at the same time successful ang ating event.
Ayan. Yun nga. Ngayon sinasabi nila na sa lahat ng events natin, we are setting our standard. We always have to be better than before. So, ayun. Okay, so that is it siguro. Ay, si ano? Si RVP for NA. Si Ate Andrea. Tanungin natin si Ate Andrea. Mag-hello ka sa camera. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so isa lang yung tanong ko, Ate Andrea. Ano yung ina-expect mo ngayong review natin to? Yung unang face-to-face event natin.
Ina-expect ko? Siguro fun, pero baka ma-stress.
Good afternoon to our dear delegates,
Ayun.
guests,
Okay, so
and regional
executive tayo kasi yun.
Kindly register entrance before we start the program.
We are expecting
Make
to meet
yourself
our
comfortable and sit among the available chairs in the hall. Thank you.
Expectations, parang gano'n, okay. So, punta naman tayo sa labas. Sa mga ating participants. Ayan, alright. Okay, so I am here today with our President for UEP. Okay, so Pres, mag-hello ka, Pres, sa camera.
Hello po.
Ayan. Wait lang, maitim tayo dyan. Liga dito. Hanggang salay tayo. Okay, so, please introduce yourself, your local chapter, your position, and your name.
So, hello po, I'm Joshua Corpus, the President of JPF from University of Eastern.
Okay, so simple lang naman ang tanong ko, Pres. Lapit ka dito para marinig ka sa kayo. Simple lang naman ang tanong ko. Ano yung ine-expect mo ngayon na first face-to-face event ng R1 Cardipea at saka first face-to-face event, first RevM natin?
So, ine-expect ko po sa RevM natin is marami po kami malaking na knowledge and pwede po namin gamitin sa chapter po namin.
Ayan. So, dito rin tayo magkakaroon ng mga deliberations sa mga local chapters natin, sa regional council, di ba, Pres?
Yes po.
Okay, so ayun. Hopefully, we are going to have a fun day ngayon tsaka bukas. So, yun. Approve tayo, Pres? Approve. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pres. Okay, so, hello. Saan si Ate May? Alam na, dumating ako, nag-CR siya. Ayan. Actually, ang DWCL, nakarating sila dito ng 7 AM. Tapos, ang aga-aga nila. So, pinagbigyan sila ng owner ng villa na to, ng resort na to, na mag-check-in sila ng alas 10 ng umaga. So, tingnan natin sila, bisitahin natin sila. Okay. So, dito kami nag-stay sa Bella Inn. Okay. So, tanongin natin ng ating president ng Lawag. Excuse me. Okay ka, ha? Okay, katokin natin sila. Knockers! Okay, so mukhang nagpapahinga pala sila. Press, short video lang. Okay, so I am here to, so ayun, kakatapos natin from other local chapter. Ito, dumating sila maaga, mga 7 AM. So yun, bigyan sila ng privilege na mag-check-in ng 10. So ayun, tanungin natin siya. So this is our president from DWCL. So mag-hi ka sa camera.
Hello po.
Ayan. So, press, paano na lang ako ng local chapter, name, and position.
Bale, ako po si Rainier Nepali Joaquin Ulep, or yung nickname ko po ay Nep from Divine Word College of Lawag, and ako po yung local chapter president.
Okay, so, simple lang yung tanong ko, Pres. Ano yung ine-expect nyo ngayon na first face-to-face event natin, tapos first RevM natin?
So, yung feeling ko right now is very surreal po. Kasi 4th year na po ako ngayon, and it's my first time to attend this event. And I expect na marami akong matututunan sa mga other local chapter presidents from the schools from Region 1 and Carpo. And I expect na marami po akong mabubuo na friendship po.
Yun.
Yun lang po, salamat.
Yun, mabubuo na connections daw. So, okay. I believe executive officer ka rin ng last federation.
Opo.
What position?
Vice President for Academics.
Okay, so what did you gain from your position last federation, and what do you expect now na ma-achieve mo sa sarili mo and also at the same time sa local chapter niyo?
Bilang kanang kami ng aming president po, during her time po kasi may OJT siya, at ako po yung inaatasan niya na mag-conduct ng mga events sa school po. And marami po akong na-learn doon. And now, expect na mas marami pa po akong matututunan.
Okay, so parang may prior knowledge ka na on how to be a president na kasi parang last federation, ikaw yung nagiging acting president ng local chapter. Okay, so ayun, thank you so much, Pres Rainier. Hoping to have a very fun activity mamaya. Thank you very much, Pres. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so balik na tayo sa venue, guys. Kasi medyo tayo magulo dito. Okay, I'll be back. Ayan, so we are back here sa lobby natin. So, ang next na interview natin is yung president ng University of Luzon. Okay. So, wait lang natin. Check natin. Hello! Hi, Pres! Wait lang. Okay, so ito naman ay president siya ng University of Luzon. So, kakarating lang nila with UAP. So, Pres, mag-hi ka lang sa camera. Wait lang, hindi tayo kita. Baliktad. Okay, so mag-hi ka sa camera, Pres. Ayan. So, please introduce yourself, your local chapter, your name, and your position.
Hi, I am Angel Glyza Operanya from the University of Luzon.
Okay, so, simple na yung tanong natin, Pres. What do you expect sa first face-to-face? First face-to-face event natin, tapos yung first RevM natin.
Siyempre, makikilala yung iba't ibang local chapters yun. Tapos, sana maayos lahat. And, yun nga, yung mga next na events natin is well coordinated na since yung mga previous is online, hindi siya masyadong
so
feedback tayong gano'n. Okay,
so ang sinasabi daw ni Pres is dapat dagdagan pa natin yung mga face-to-face events natin.
Tama.
Para makapunta sila. So, I'm expecting RLC papunta din kayo.
Depende.
Okay.
Second sem na kasi eh.
Ayun. Okay, so yun lang naman, Pres. So, hoping to have a fun activity mamaya. And yun, nice meeting you. So, magbabay ka sa camera. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so yun na. Tapos na lahat. Ang mga kakarating pa lang ng local chapter. And we are here back to our venue, guys. Tayo ay magpapalamig kasi ang init-init sa labas. I'm going back. In 3, 2, 1.
Hi! Sharing.
How was your day one?
I'm a little bit exhausted. I'm exhausted already. Like, oh my God.
Kumusta ang second day?
Ang ating nag-iisang drop up. Literally.
Kanya-kanyang sikat talaga to. Okay, so ready na?
Yes.
First RevM and General Assembly. Okay, ready? Ready na?
One. Sige, ikaw na lang.
Ikaw na.
1, 2, 3, go!
So the event has ended in behalf
Tapos na ang RevM!
We thank you everyone. So you may now leave the venue and go to your homes na. Pwede pa po, pero as much as possible, doon lang po tayo sa labas. Talent view daw, 100%. Pang-sangyup.